Welcome back to What's the Frame? In this episode, we're going to look at how ordinary locations can still produce beautiful shots. So in this episode, we're going to take a look at a picture that was taken on a drone from a relatively ordinary environment. This was a smaller residential development of a single home that basically had nothing on the site. It was just complete groundworks at this moment in time that we went there. So we had to be a bit creative in terms of trying to make this come to life and stand out. So the way that we've done that with this image was taking up the drone and really make use of the contrast between the development site and the surrounding residential developments. So as you can see, this is the residential development here. And to be fair, this image actually goes against what I believe in so many ways. But you've got to just go sometimes with the environment that you're in. You know, you've got to work with it rather than against it. So there's no sort of three major elements of this picture that I would normally stick by. The elements that I had to work with the site, as I've mentioned, is the contrasting border, which this luckily provides us, and the road that runs through the image. Now, had you have had the road at a wonk and running through like that, it might not have been the same image, and it might have been a little bit messy, but because we've got the symmetry of the line, we've got this that leads into the major development, and you've got the contrast and the natural border, all leads itself to making this image a really beautiful shot when it's, quite frankly, just a plain site in an ordinary location. But that's why I like it.